direction Taiwan. Taipo Market Station. This is really old cake from Hong Kong, so we are going to try. I'm going to buy some more for friends. We got 2 more. 6.51.
Yeah, I don't think it's touristy.
Yeah, I don't see any foreigners here. Maybe I'm the only one. Queuing for the bus. We are going to take the bus number 75K to go to Tai Mei Tuk, I think, I guess.
Sure. Patapong.
Yay!
This is cute. Look at this, guys. Funny things is that we already been here before. We went here with Dan with the bicycle. Super nice to be back here. Super beautiful, and you can see a lot of kettle. Yeah.
How we say that? It is well known for this actually.
You can see a lot of islands just around.
Yeah.
And you can see the buildings of Hong Kong too. It's just that we mainly stay in the city, but there is so much more. And here is an example.
Mama Dan taking picture. Picture.
Wow, we are now at the end of the road, and this is actually the beginning of another trail.
Yeah, just behind you can see the stairs.
Yeah. It's like 15 kilometers long, 7 hours. And there's a lot of hiking here in Hong Kong.
Ano naman nangyari sa ako? Ano na nangyari sa ako, mama? Diba? Kaya, magpag-ipong ka ah. Pasilang ka.